Welcome to our dairy processing plant. Today I will show you the complete factory process of how condensed milk is made. From fresh milk collection.
This simple white liquid is about to become one of the world's longest-lasting dairy products. But how does milk transform? Through filtration, sugar mixing, vacuum evaporation, and airtight sealing, this factory transforms fresh milk. The process begins at modern dairy farms, where fresh cow's milk is collected using automated milking systems. Immediately after milking, the fresh milk is cooled and stored in hygienic tanks. This cooling step prevents bacteria.
Large insulated tanks keep the milk at controlled temperatures until refrigerated tanker trucks arrive to transport it to the dairy processing plant.
Refrigerated tanker trucks transport the fresh milk from farms to the factory. These trucks keep the milk cold during the journey to maintain its freshness and safety. When the trucks arrive, the milk is pumped directly into large storage silos inside the factory through sealed stainless steel pipelines. These enormous storage tanks hold thousands of liters of milk, preparing it for the next stages of processing.
Before production begins, technicians carefully test the milk in laboratory stations. They check fat content, bacterial levels, and overall purity.
Only milk that meets strict safety and quality standards is approved for condensed milk production. Once the milk passes inspection, it moves forward to the processing stage.
After testing, the milk enters powerful filtration systems. These machines remove tiny impurities and ensure the specialized microfilters capture even the smallest particles, guaranteeing the highest purity and safety for the final condensed milk product. Next, the milk enters high-speed centrifuge separators. These machines precisely adjust the fat content to create the perfect consistency for condensed milk. By controlling the fat levels, manufacturers ensure the condensed milk will have the smooth texture and rich taste consumers expect. Advanced sensors constantly monitor and regulate the mixture to maintain consistent quality throughout the entire production process. Before pasteurization, the milk is gently heated in industrial heat exchangers. This prepares it for the next stage of bacterial control.
Precise temperature monitoring ensures the milk is heated evenly without damaging its natural flavor. Careful temperature control is essential to protect the milk's nutrients and quality.
Now the milk enters the pasteurization stage. This process heats the milk to specific temperatures to destroy harmful bacteria.
Pasteurization makes the milk safe to consume and prepares it for long-term preservation.
Strict monitoring ensures the milk reaches the correct temperature for the exact amount of time required. The key ingredient that makes condensed milk unique is sugar. Large quantities of refined sugar are prepared for mixing with the milk.
Sugar not only adds sweetness but also acts as a natural preservative, helping condensed milk last much longer without spoiling.
Once the sugar is ready, the mixture moves to the large blending tanks. Inside these massive mixing tanks, sugar and milk are blended together to form the sweet base for condensed milk. Powerful paddles continuously stir the mixture, ensuring the sugar dissolves evenly.
The mixture is now ready for the most important stage, removing water to create the thick, condensed texture.
Next, the sweetened milk enters large evaporator systems designed to remove excess water.
Under controlled conditions, the liquid slowly becomes more concentrated.
In this stage, the sweetened milk enters vacuum evaporators. These machines remove a large portion of the water. Under vacuum pressure, water evaporates quickly. As the moisture disappears, the milk becomes thicker and richer. This controlled evaporation process is what transforms ordinary milk into the dense, creamy texture of condensed milk. After evaporation, the liquid becomes much thicker. At this stage, the product begins to resemble the familiar condensed milk texture. The mixture now has a smooth, sweet, and dense consistency, created by removing most of the water.
The concentrated mixture is now ready for further refinement to ensure a perfect texture.
Next, the condensed milk passes through homogenization machines. These systems break down fat particles to create a perfectly smooth texture.
This high-pressure process prevents separation and ensures the condensed milk stays creamy and consistent.
Homogenization also improves the product's stability during long storage. After homogenization, the condensed milk must be cooled quickly to stabilize the mixture.
Rapid cooling helps preserve the product's structure and prevents unwanted chemical changes. Once cooled, the condensed milk is ready to be packaged. Before filling begins, every container must be sterilized to ensure maximum safety.
High-temperature steam eliminates bacteria and microorganisms from the packaging.
This sterilization step is essential for creating a long shelf life.
Precision equipment ensures every container is positioned perfectly.
The production line is now ready for the filling process.
At this stage, thick condensed milk is carefully dispensed into each can using high-precision filling machines.
Each can receives an exact amount of product to maintain consistent weight and quality.
The filled cans now move to the sealing station. Powerful sealing machines attach airtight lids to every can. This airtight seal prevents contamination and protects the product inside. Sealing is a crucial step that helps condensed milk last for long periods.
Every can passes through advanced quality inspection systems.
These machines check weight, seal integrity, and labeling accuracy. Only products that meet strict quality standards move forward.
Finally, the finished condensed milk cans are packed into cartons for shipment. Large pallets are prepared for distribution to stores around the world.
And that's the complete journey of condensed milk, from fresh dairy farms to a long-lasting product enjoyed across the globe.